G'day folks. Now this video is for the appliance enthusiasts. I thought you'd like to see a fairly vintage Phillips microwave. It's actually, they call it an electronic cooker. They don't actually call it a microwave, but it is. I'm guessing 70s vintage. It has an old mechanical timer on it. When you press start, that electrically driven timer would start. It goes up for a while. Probably get about an hour out of it, or 99.99. You've got power level. We'll open it up in a minute and have a look at it. Still got the original plate. Probably very rare to find an original plate for this. I know genuine replacement plates are worth quite a bit of money. Even the way the door's made is different. It's got a laminated mesh screen like a Faraday cage and glass on the front. This was donated by Brooke. She also donated the hot plate that I use for blowing stuff up as a ballast. A number of televisions, a refrigerator, computer, LCD monitor, all sorts of stuff. So big thanks to Brooke for donating all that stuff. And yeah, let's pull the cover off and just see what this thing's built like inside. I'm anxious to see. Pretty straightforward inside. A nice chunky big magnetron in there. It's a Toshiba magnetron. Oh no. Sorry, it's a Sharp magnetron. There's a, looks like a diode and the capacitor back there. Nice big chunky mott. It's a Tabushi Electric, Japan. Fairly heavy. Got a mechanical switch or rotary switch for the power level. Must cycle so many times for each power level. It's the only way you can vary the power on these motts is to switch them on and off at regular intervals. And the mechanical timer, which works. And it's running. Neat little clockwork timer. Yeah, there goes the mott. It's on low, so we that's high. Sounds angry, but it's working. It works. Good old heavy mechanical thing. Let's find something we can clean up to put in there. Maybe a light globe. That won't hurt it. It's only 650 watts, by the way. It's not much, but it's heavy enough that it'll probably do a bit of damage. I gotta love the simplicity of old stuff. Not to mention the durability. This is the door latch system. Got a die cast lever with a steel plate on it. First pressure releases the switches. Little micro switches turn everything off and open the relays, so you can't reset it until you actually push start again. And you can only push start when the door is, or start only works when the door is shut and the switch is closed. But that is all the linkage there. And it even turns the fan on to suck all the smoke out. Or smoke or steam or whatever's coming out of it. Really straightforward. I like that. This is how appliances should be built these days. Just replace that with say a 1300 watt magnetron and mott, and all of this would be just fine. We don't need electronic controls. We don't need inverters. We don't need any of that rubbish. Just something basic like this. Oh, well, let's turn it on and see what happens. Here we go. Let's try this old halide bulb. It should work alright. Nice heavy mechanical door switch. Ooh, pretty. Shouldn't pop the inner one, maybe just the outer glass. Well, that proves that it works. I won't run it too long. That's all it takes to stop it. Cool. It works. I like that. Ding, lights out. That's the end of it. Oh, that one works. I'm not going to blow anything up in it. I just want to see if it's energizing and how regularly. Oh, there's another good keeper. Probably the oldest one I've got yet. I'd say early 70s. Haven't found any dates on it, but easily early 70s. Little Sankyo timer thingy. And that one there. It all works. Just got to replace this bit of old polyurethane foam because it's all just rotted away and fallen out of there. Thanks for watching.